I'm going to show you step by step just how to do some basic updates on your website. So firstly, you're going to log in to the back end of your website, which is also known as the dashboard. So once you've logged in, this is where you're going to land. So of course, I will give you through login details for the back end. So this is what we call the dashboard. Here on the left hand side, we have all of our tools on this black left hand column here. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down to pages. We're going to just click on pages on the left hand side. And here you can see you have your home page. So we're going to click on home, because this is the page we want to edit, and there is only this page. So yeah, it's just going to load here. It might take a little bit of time depending on your network. So let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so now that this is loaded, so now we are on the back end of the actual page. So what we're going to do, we are now going to click this lovely purple big button here saying Edit with Divi Builder. So this is a front-end editor, so we're going to click on this. This might take a little bit of time to load because there are a lot of elements on the page, so this can take a little bit of time. Also, again, depending on your network, so just be a little bit patient while this is loading. All right, so now that the page is loaded, so now we are on the front end editor. So here you'll see at the bottom in the center, there's this round purple circle. So here, if you've made any changes, the bottom right over here is where you're going to go and click save once you've made any changes. So for example, we now want to just scroll down a little bit. And for example, if we want to add some additional content or update some content here on the services we offer. So what you're going to do, you're going to hover over this element, and here you're going to see this gray block pop up. So this is the gray block. This is the actual module. So we call these modules. So you're going to click on this little settings icon here, second from the left. So you're going to click on module settings. And then it's going to open up this module little task bar. So here it is here. So here's the content for this section information. Services we offer, if you want to change this to a different title, you can. And then here, if we scroll down, here is where all this text is over here. So here you can update, change, or remove whatever text you'd like to. And then when you're done, you always just click this little green checkbox button on the bottom right of this square. So you're going to click on that first. That's just going to save that module settings. And then on the bottom right, most importantly, always to click save on the bottom right. And always wait and make sure you get the checkbox. There we go. So now we know it's saved correctly. So that's how you just update simple text on the site. So you just find the text box, for example, add more and more. Again, on the gray box, click on the module settings, and this is going to open up this text box. So here's the text here. Again, update accordingly. Click the little green box here at the bottom, and again, save on the bottom right. And then to add or update visuals on the site, here's your gallery. Again, we hover over the section. We wait for the gray module settings box to pop up. Again, module settings icon, we click on that. And then here we go. Here we have our gallery module opening up now. So here you can see all of the images that are currently on the gallery. If you want to just make this a little bit bigger, you can. Just click on this little gray arrow there. So here, if you hover over a specific image in this little block, so you can see there's this little bin icon. If you want to remove an image, you click that one. If you want to add, you just scroll down, click the add button, say upload files, select files, and then you're going to go and grab those pictures on your computer and then say select at the bottom. So very, very simple. Once you've then uploaded your images, you'll see them uploaded over here on this section, and just click the checkbox and save on the bottom right. Very, very important. Always to save as you go along. So that is very simple. Even to update contact numbers, again, we hover over this section, wait for the gray block to open up, click on the module settings, and the same goes.